How to limit your story audience. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit your story audience on your Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger. Now click on your profile and all you need to do is scroll down and you have privacy. Click on it. Now you have the second before the last option, story audience. Click on it and now you choose your story audience. Public, that means anyone on Messenger or Facebook can see your story, or friends only, your Facebook friends, or custom. Choose who can see your story. For example, click on public and click on save and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.